Hello children, welcome to today's session. Today we will discuss about Boolean indexing on data frame object. What is this Boolean indexing? It refers to having Boolean values, that is true or false or 1 or 0 as indexes of a data frame. Actually, what is the need for having indexes as true or false? In some situations, we may need to divide our data in two subsets, that is true or false. Example, your school has decided to launch online classes for you, but some days of the week are designated for it. So, a data frame related to this information might look like this, that is day, number of classes, Monday 6, Tuesday 0, Wednesday 3, Thursday 0, Friday 8. The Boolean indexes divide the data frame in two groups, true rows and false rows. Here Monday classes will be there, so the index is true. Tuesday no class, so the index is false. Likewise, this Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The Boolean indexes divides the data frame in two groups, that is true rows and false rows. Boolean indexes can either be in true or false form or in 1 or 0 form. Okay. Then, how to create a data frame with Boolean index? For that, we can use import pandas as PD. Here days is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Classes is equal to 6, 0, 3, 0, 8. DC, that is a dictionary, that is equal to, within this curly braces I specified this key days, value days. Then another key, number of classes, value classes. Okay. Then class df is equal to pd dot data frame dc comma index is equal to true, false, true, false, true. Boolean indexes provided for each row. Notice true and false values are Boolean values, not strings. That is, true and false values are Boolean values, not strings. So, no need to enclose in quotes. Clear? That time we can see the Boolean values as indexes true, false, true, false, true. Days, number of classes, Monday 6, Tuesday 0, Wednesday 3, Thursday 0, Friday 8. Days and number of classes. These two are columns. Then true, false, true, false, true. These all are indexes. Clear? Then next one, instead of this true or false, we can use ones and zeros. How to use that one? For that, we can use import pandas as PD. Days is equal to this one. Classes is equal to this one. DC is equal to days. Values days. Number of classes colon classes. Class df1 is equal to pd dot data frame dc comma index is equal to 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1. Boolean indexes provided for each row as ones and zeros this time. Instead of this true or false, we used here ones and zeros. Okay, then we can see the index as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Normally, the values or columns are days and number of classes. Okay, clear? Then, accessing rows from data frame with Boolean indexes. How to access rows from this data frame? For that, we can use this iloc or loc attributes. iloc or loc attributes. Simply we can use this data frame object dot loc. Within the square bracket we can specify the true to display all records with true index. The next one, data frame object dot loc, within the square bracket I specified this false, to display all records with false index. Then data frame object dot loc, within the square bracket I specified this 1, to display all records with index as 1. Data frame object dot loc, within the square bracket I specified 0, to display all records with index as 0. Use dot .loc attribute with data frames having Boolean indexes to filter out rows. Example, class df dot loc true. True index values we can see. See, the result now contains only the rows having index as true. That is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. False means false values we can see, false index details we can see, that is Tuesday and Thursday, 0 classes. Then class df1 dot loc 0, 0 index values. See, the result now contains only the rows having index as 0. Tuesday 0, Thursday 0. Clear? Then Boolean indexing in data frame. Boolean indexing helps us to select the data from the data frames using a Boolean vector, that is 0 or 1 or true or false. We create a data frame with a Boolean index to use the Boolean indexing. Consider this example. Import pandas as pd. Dictionary object dic is equal to name. The values are Sachin, Vinod and Rajesh, age 32, 35 and 40. df is equal to pd dot data frame dic comma index is equal to true, false, true. Print df, we can see true, false, true, Sachin 32, Vinod 35, Rajesh 40. Okay. Then print df dot loc true, to return data frame where index is true. Where index is true. Check this one. True Sachin, true Rajesh. That all values we can see. Then print result of iloc method. Print df dot iloc, within the square bracket I specified this 1. We can pass only integer value in iloc, that is integer location. That is index values we can specify. That is 0, 1, 2 index values. Here 1, that is second one, false. False, Vinod Verma 35. That all values we can see by using this iloc. Only integer values in iloc we can use. We can pass only integer value in iloc. So here 1. Clear? The data type is object. Boolean indexing in data frame. Okay? Clear? Okay children. These all are very easy topics. Study these all topics in a systematic way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.